Crypto Anup altcoin has already published 3 new videos and has covered more than 11 altcoins. Yes, if you are holding altcoin, if you are asking, hey, which coin should be the best buy and best sell right now and also for the next altcoin season, then you guys should definitely watch these videos, because as you can already see, we have talked about Pepe, Cardano, Chainlink, Optimism, Lido DAO, Ethereum, AVAX, XRP, Binance, and so on. So if you are holding any of this coin, or if you are looking for any great opportunity, then do subscribe to this altcoin channel and watch the video. Now it's time to jump into Bitcoin price action. Yesterday I showed you in the past price action, we have found out whenever the price of Bitcoin after a bullish movement has showed some retracement, the retracement ended when we found support around the 0.5 to 0.618 Fibonacci line before turning bullish. I mean, with each and every impulsive movement and corrective movement, what has happened here? The price of Bitcoin has got attracted towards the 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line before turning bullish. And right now, if we look in our case, after this massive impulsive movement, we are also expecting the price to get attracted between this 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line before starting a new impulsive movement here like this, because we found out the price in the medium short term is still facing resistance from this 27,200 resistance line, because in the medium short term we found out the price of Bitcoin is forming this head and shoulder formation. And if we look at this example, Bitcoin has already broken the neckline. Now we have to be careful, because getting rejection around the neckline area while trying to re-enter above it could lead to another continuation here to the downside like this. And we know this bigger rising trend line, which has been considered as one of the most important support line, could be retested around 25,000 before price decides the trend duration. So please be careful. Since the price of Bitcoin is still facing resistance, we need to be very, very careful, because beside the neckline from this head and shoulder, we are also facing resistance from this horizontal trend line. Yes guys, this horizontal channel or horizontal trend line, the lower line area, is acting as a strong line of resistance. This exact line acted as a strong line of support in the past price action, rejected the price while we were trying to re-enter above it, and that's why now we have additional resistance from this lower trend line as well, around 27,200 range. So in the medium short term, if the price of Bitcoin remains below this key line, we have to be careful, because that could lead to another continuation here to the downside towards 25,000 range before deciding the trend duration, because we know it's not just only the horizontal channel, it's not just only this head and shoulder, even this Fibonacci retracement line, but also according to this broadening wedge or ascending broadening wedge. This ascending broadening wedge is a bearish scenario. So please guys, please be careful. If we want to see the price of Bitcoin showing another movement, what must happen here in the price action? For that, I am going to show you one example. What must the price of Bitcoin do to turn this bearish continuation into a bullish continuation like this? With the help of RSI, T3CCI, and MACD, if we see the RSI line slowly appearing above 50 level, at the same time the MACD forming a bullish MACD cross and also appearing above 50 level, and at the same time we need the T3CCI indicator in a positive territory, just like from this past price action. RSI jumped above 50 level, MACD formed a bullish MACD cross and also appeared above 50 level, this green line, and T3CCI started appearing in a positive territory, and this led to a bullish movement here to the upside. And you can see after this bullish confirmation, the price went more than like 30 to 35%, right? So this is exactly what we are looking at. I mean, before this bullish crossover, RSI needs to appear above 50, MACD needs to form a bullish MACD cross and also appear above 50 level, T3CCI needs to appear in a positive territory. If we can do that, just like here from the past price action, we are also expecting some very nice bullish movement here in price action of Bitcoin. So unless we get a confirmation from this indicator, we have to remain careful, because we know getting rejection on the neckline in the past price action has led to some corrective movement towards the next area of confluence, and in that case our next area of confluence is sitting around 25,000 range. And now even if we look at this triangle top, you can see guys, the price has unfortunately failed to find proper support above this lower trend line, and failing to find support above this lower trend line could also result in another continuation, just like as shown here in an example, a continuation here to the downside towards the 25,000 range. But if we do see price of Bitcoin showing more of a range bound, RSI jumping over 50, MACD forming a bullish MACD cross, also jumping over 50, T3CCI in a positive territory, then we know this here is going to be an actual relief rally where we could be getting attracted towards this 29,000 range before price decides the trend direction. So you can see guys, looking into different time frame, looking into different scenarios, the price of Bitcoin right now is in a very important area which we have to break if we want to continue this bullishness and also invalidate the bearish scenario which could be playing out right now in price action of Bitcoin. But if we look at this in a bigger picture, I mean in a monthly time frame, in a monthly, we just need the price of Bitcoin to find support above 26,000 to 25,000 range. 26,000 would be even better, because in that case we will be above the 200 weekly moving average. And in the past price action, we have found out whenever the price of Bitcoin has found support of the 200 weekly moving average, broken the resistance from this falling trend line, the long-term rates line, after that we have seen some very nice impulsive movement. So for this impulsive movement also to play out in a bigger picture, I mean in a monthly picture, we need the price of Bitcoin to find support above 26,000 range. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you enjoyed my vlog, then destroy that like button. If you are unaware about my crypto Anup altcoin channel, our new channel, the link is in the description down below. Feel free to follow me there. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.